pag-uusapan natin itong pool pay survey. Pwede po kayo mag-download ng application na to sa Google, and then you can sign in using your Google account. And then pag direct mo dito, pag open mo lang pa lang sa app is makikita mo agad yung available survey nila. So ayan, nag-red po, ayan po yung survey na iti-take mo, at yan lang po yung available. And then meron po dito leaderboard. Ayan. So earn up to $25 every week by completing survey and reaching the top 100 on weekly leaderboard. Yan. You can start your journey. Ito po yung kumita na, ayan, wala po silang lagay na name. So kikita ka talaga by answering question. And then we can start our journey. Ayan. Other minutes. So start the survey. So pasensya na, medyo mahina yung ating internet connection. Ayan, start na. Tagalog. Babae. Then birthday natin. Ayan. So 9/21. Dito is dapat mag-answer ka talaga ng totoo. This answer will lead to not losing rewards and might get your account blocked. Ipasok na yung zip code. Ayan. Ilagay po natin yung ating zip code. Wala sa itaas. Okay, great job. So refresh. Mag-refresh lang po tayo. So meron na, nakuha na po natin yung $0.35. Ayan, madali lang pong kumita pala dito. Basta available lang po yung survey. Yan, magbibigay po tayo ng rating sa kanila. Hindi pa naman po tayo nagkapag-pay out. So, pwede din not now. Pwede din ayan. So, punta tayo sa balance natin. Unfortunately, okay, nandyan sa taas yung ating balance. So, meron din silang referral. Ayan. You can refer a friend. Ayan, gamit yung code mo. And then, every friend na ma-invite mo dito ay magkakaroon ka ng $0.25 starting bonus, and you get 15% of their survey rewards. Yan. Meron ka ding share. So, napakaganda ng pool pay or pool survey. So, you can download this app na in Google, and then using your Google, makakapag-sign in ka na dito. I hope may natutunan kayo. Tingnan muna natin kung magkano ba ang ating mariredeem dito. Ayan. So, ayan. Choose your payout method. So, ayan. PayPal, Ethereum, Litecoin, Litecoin, Ripple, ano ba yan? Bitcoin Cash, Tether. Ayan. So, since wala akong PayPal lang, you can click PayPal. Ayan, ito yung mariredeem mo dito. And I think this is a legit survey application po. Ayan. So, pag maka-reach na po kayo ng $10 is you can redeem your money. So, $10 equivalent of 1,000 pesos. So, I hope may natutunan po kayo for this video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe na rin. Thank you. Sa aking channel.